Have you ever met a person who looks painfully average? Someone who drives a 10-year-old Honda and wears the same sneakers from high school. This person never flexes. No Gucci belts, no Tesla, no overpriced Starbucks addiction. Yet, if you check their bank account, they could buy your whole neighborhood and still have enough left over to retire in Costa Rica. So what's their secret? Is it a rich uncle, a lottery win, a deal with the Illuminati? Nope. All it is are simple habits. Small, boring, low-key habits that quietly turn regular people into silent millionaires, while everyone else is out here making bad Amazon purchases at 2 a.m. And the best part is, you can start doing them today. So if you are tired of watching your paycheck disappear faster than a pizza at a party, grab a snack, stay till the end, and let's break down 12 low-key habits that can secretly make you rich. Habit number 12, they treat every dollar like an employee. I want you to listen to me carefully. Rich people don't just spend money, they hire it. Even though this video focuses on the basics, I'll explain why the rich treat every dollar like it has a job. Some dollars go to work investing, some go to work compounding interest, and some, they just sit there waiting for the right opportunity. Meanwhile, broke people, they treat dollars like party guests. They show up, have a great time, then disappear by Monday. If you want to be rich, start seeing money differently. Every dollar you own should be working for you, not the other way around. Habit 11. They avoid lifestyle creep like it's a scam call. Let me first explain the concept and then we'll move on to the practical steps you can take. Let's say you get a raise. Most people immediately upgrade their lifestyle. New car, better apartment, fancy dinners, and suddenly that raise gone in the blink of an eye. This is why it's called lifestyle creep, and it's a trap. So what do wealthy people do? They act broke, even when they're rich. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men alive, still lives in the same house he bought in 1958. This dude could literally buy an island, but no. He keeps it simple because he knows the real flex is financial freedom. Habit number 10, they automate their savings so they can be lazy. Let's be real, self-control is overrated. If your plan to save money relies on discipline, you already lost. Rich people know this. That's why they automate everything. And don't worry, I'll show you how automation works with real examples, so bear with me. Here's what I want you to do. Pay yourself first. Before you even touch your paycheck, have a set percentage go to your savings or investments. Use auto transfers. Set up a system where a chunk of your money moves automatically into your brokerage account. This way, even if you forget, your money doesn't. Lazy? Maybe. Effective? Absolutely. Habit number 9, they use boring investments that grow like a slow-cooked brisket. As we discussed in previous videos, most people want fast money. They chase crypto trends, penny stocks, and the next big thing. Rich people? They know the real money is in the long game. They invest in index funds, real estate, and dividend stocks. Boring? Yeah, but boring gets rich. Think about it this way. If you invested $500 per month in an S&P 500 index fund for 30 years, you'd have over $1 million just by chilling. Meanwhile, your friend who bought the fake Bitcoin 2.0 is, well, still waiting for the dip to recover. Habit number 8, they don't finance dumb stuff. Look, you need to understand this clearly. The fastest way to go broke forever is simple. Finance everything. That new car? Financed. That $1,500 couch? Financed. That iPhone 27 Pro Max Ultra? Financed. Meanwhile, wealthy people buy assets that make them money. They're out here financing rental properties, businesses, and stocks, while the rest of us are financing sneakers and DoorDash orders. That's what we call good debt versus bad debt, and it's something I've covered in our last video, so check that out as well. Habit number 7, they read more than they watch Netflix. It's been proven time and again that the average millionaire reads 52 books per year. Meanwhile, the average person watches 1,200 hours of Netflix every year. You know what that means? Somewhere out there, someone is reading about money while you're watching a guy eat 10 chicken nuggets on YouTube. Books are equal to knowledge, and knowledge is equal to money. Read books like The Psychology of Money, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and The Millionaire Next Door. Basically, upgrade your brain to upgrade your bank account. Before we continue, just understand that our channel is dedicated to providing you the knowledge you need to achieve financial freedom and finally live life on your terms. Just make sure to subscribe to the channel for updates on all our upcoming videos. Habit number 6, they build multiple income streams, like it's a video game. I've said this more times than I can count, but I'll say it again. One paycheck is dangerous. Wealthy people know this. That's why they stack multiple streams of income. A 9-to-5 job? Cool. A side hustle? Better. Passive income? Now we're talking. Passive income is a topic I've already discussed in our financial freedom playlist, and I'll dive deeper into it in our upcoming videos. Basically, they don't rely on one income stream because if that one disappears, so does their entire lifestyle. If your job is your only source of income, you're playing financial life on hard mode. Habit number 5, they ask, what's the ROI on every decision? Now, I know this might sound confusing, but it's actually easier than you think. People often think rich people are cheap. That can't be any further from the truth. They just think in ROI, which is return on investment. Before spending money, they ask, will this make me money later? $500 on a course to learn a new skill? Yes. $500 on bottle service at a club? No. Every dollar should either make you money, save you time, or improve your life. Habit number 4. They surround themselves with rich-minded people. Have you ever noticed how broke people love hanging out with other broke people? They sit around complaining about how life is unfair, the system is rigged, and how one day they're going to start a business. But right now they're just waiting for the right moment. Meanwhile, wealthy people, they're allergic to that energy. They actively seek out people who challenge them, push them, and force them to level up. Here's the brutal truth. If you hang around 5 broke people, you'll be the 6th. If your group chat is full of, bro, let's go out this weekend, instead of, bro, let's start a business, you might need a new group chat. Habit number 3, they play offense, not just defense. Let's get one thing straight. Saving money alone won't make you rich. I know, every personal finance guru says, just cut out the daily lattes, stop eating out, and boom, you'll be a millionaire. Well, let me tell you something. There is no universe where skipping Starbucks turns you into Warren Buffett. That's because wealthy people don't just save. They earn more. They play offense, not just defense. See, broke people focus on cutting costs like their future depends on it. They're out here stressing over a $5 coffee while ignoring the fact that their paycheck is too small to begin with. Meanwhile, wealthy people think bigger. They ask, how can I increase my income? How can I create new revenue streams? How can I invest in assets that make money while I sleep? They aren't out here hoarding pennies. They're creating wealth. Habit number 2. They master the art of saying no. Keep in mind what I'm about to tell you. Warren Buffett once said, the difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. Let me ask you something. Have you ever been peer pressured into spending money you didn't want to spend? Your friends start saying things like, come on bro, it's just one night out. You work hard, treat yourself. This limited edition sneaker drop is an investment. Next thing you know, your bank account is crying, your credit card is smoking, and your investment is just another pair of shoes collecting dust in your closet. Here's the thing. Rich people don't fall for this nonsense. They've mastered the art of saying no. Saying no is equal to more money in the bank. Broke people, they say yes to everything. Yes to going out even when they're broke. Yes to impulse purchases because it was on sale. Yes to every GoFundMe their random cousin sends them. Meanwhile, wealthy people say no more than they say yes, because they know that every dollar spent is a dollar that could have been invested. Habit number 1, they stay consistent, even when it's boring. The fact of the matter is, getting rich isn't hard, it's just boring and slow. The trick? Stick to the process. Keep saving, keep investing, keep making smart money moves. It won't happen overnight, but one day, you'll wake up wealthy. Now that I've revealed 12 low-key habits that can secretly make you rich, I've only got one question for you. Which one are you going to start today? I read every comment, so I'm curious to know which ones. In fact, just relying on everyday habits is not enough. It's important to learn the unwritten rules of silent millionaires. We reveal all the tea in this next video. Just click the video on the screen now, and we'll see you in the next one.